Today I'm showing you a relaxing way to quickly paint flowers on a gradient background using white-on-white technique. Firstly, we start by washing the whole page using yellow and orange colors to create some gradient. Paint flows well on white paper, so as we move our brush back and forth over the page, the colors will start to blend and combine. I'm dabbing both reddish color onto the damp background using the white-on-white technique. I'll keep the amount of water on the brush minimal to avoid any blotchy edges. If the two colors have blended together too much, it may leave us with too little contrast of color. We can then use a clean dry napkin to leave a little paint here and there. We can load some thicker paint on the brush and dab colors here and there on the paper for the flowers. As we can see, the paint spreads on its own gradually. Before the reddish paint is almost dry, I'm adding some dark black colors to the bottom of each flower, varying the angle of the flowers slightly, so that the direction of the flowers resembles how they would grow naturally. Now I'm using a clean brush to smooth the dark paint into the flower head slightly, creating a natural shadow effect and avoiding some unwanted harsh borders between colors. We can also use a clean brush to blend out a few of the red flowers, softening and blurring them into the background slightly.